Well, I'm at it again, working on this pond in my backyard. Today, I've added a Tetra Pond Waterfall, spillway, whatever you want to call it. And that out there, right there, is True Pal UV clarifier with a filter in it. And this right here also has a filter inside it. And my pump, it's brand new in the pond. It's Vivo Sun. So yeah, I got it all hooked up, got it running. Kind of got things placed where I want it. Now it's just a matter of getting that camouflaged rocks, and I'm going to buy a box, probably a black box, just to set over that, because I do have to get in there to get out of here, birds. I got to get in there to backwash it every once in a while. So yeah, got it running now. I'm ready to get some plants and get me some goldfish. Well, I had a good year. Them things, whatever they are, my wife knows, I don't. They're shooting up. Then I'll be 3 or 4 foot tall here pretty soon with flowers on top. Then I'm going to reconstruct all this around the pond. All the stone. I'll redo it. But I got to get that covered up too, and get me a flat stone put across the top of it. That's all I got for now. Saturday morning memories. That's all I ever do. Make memories at work. Bye. I like it.